What's up, guys? It's Lauren DiMartino with Advanced Realty. So today I'm doing an open house here in Canton. Well, it's not Canton, Maryland. It's in Baltimore, Maryland, and Canton downtown. So if you want, take a look and we'll go ahead and do a walkthrough on the property. So if you don't like grass, this is the perfect place. Zero grass to take care of. And here we are. There's my face right there. So let's go. So as you can see, it's super spacious, super chill, and this super cool exposed brick wall right here. So we will go up first. So it is a 2-bed, 2-bath, and again with the exposed brick, which is super cute. You can see the closets are pretty big for the city. And this property is pretty big for the city, actually. And lots of natural light in here. With a soaker tub and more natural light. There's me. And a standing shower. And they have some storage in the corner. With crown molding. And a super spacious walking area. So up here you can see there's like extra storage, which is so cool. And like what they did with the color, I love this blue in here. With a humongous closet. And more views of the street. Cool. All right, so we'll go explore more downstairs. So super cool pedestals and super open concept in here. With the beautiful hardwood floors, and there's some design features that keep. Oh, hi, Christina. And black cabinets and the white uppers, so then it gives much more light in the kitchen. So we'll go through to the back so you can see the back area. All right. So you can see, like I said, zero grass. So no cutting grass, none of that, which is pretty amazing. Because I hate cutting grass. And so in here, there's the exposed brick. But definitely open concept. And for the basement, Sorry this is shaking so much. All right, so here's an additional area for just entertaining. Here now. And back here, there's a workbench and the washer and dryer front load and a super cool workbench. So I'll go back up. Awesome, so we can go back out. So if you're interested in this home, just give me a call, 850-381-3888. And I'll see you guys later.